Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make another face mask using the 100% cotton to void cotton to do it. Previous video I used the kitchen toy tissue to do it, so now we're going to use the 100% cotton void cotton to do it. This is washable, so you can reuse it, and you can do it for your kids. And I'm going to take the measurement from the nose. Round the nose is, I'm going to take 6 inches. Just connect to the 4 inches to mark from the ear side. It's 4 inches from the ear, so we have to connect from the nose to the ear, from the 6 inches to the 4 inches. So this is fold. Now we're going to cut it. Make it a little slide curve, and from the ear, from the nose, you're going to make a little slide curve from the fold to the middle. The same thing, just like 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. Then we cut it. So we're gonna make another one to use to be like the face. So we'll make it double. We're gonna sew this, make double of this. So we're going to sew this, then put it together. So we've done finished the face mask. Give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and press the notification button so that every time I upload my videos, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you next time. Bye.